In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello's Calendar View on the free tier. If you've been wondering how to make the most out of Trello for organizing your tasks and projects, especially using the visual aid of a calendar, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and set this up step by step. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Trello board. If you're not sure where to find it, just log into your Trello account and navigate to the board you're working with. It should contain all the lists and cards associated with your project. Once you're on your board, look up towards the top right corner of the board interface, where you'll notice three small dots. This is your More menu. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal more options. Next up, let's talk about power-ups. After clicking on the three dots, you'll be greeted by a menu. From here, select Power-ups. Power-ups are essentially add-ons that can enhance the functionality of your Trello board, and for our purpose today, we're looking for the Calendar Power-up. Once you're in the Power Up section, direct your gaze to the search bar. It should be prominent and easy to spot. Click on it and type in the word Calendar. This search will retrieve the Calendar Power Up, which is what we need to proceed. Once it appears, click on it to open its details. Now comes the simple part. After selecting the Calendar Power Up, you'll see an Add button. Click on this button to integrate the calendar functionality into your board. This is a crucial step, as it enables you to visualize your Trello cards in a calendar format, allowing for a more organized and time-oriented view of your tasks. Once you've added the calendar power-up, you'll want to return to your main board view. Simply exit the current window and refresh your page to ensure that the changes take effect. It's a simple yet vital step to make sure everything runs smoothly. Refreshing the page reloads your board with the new features activated. After refreshing, you should notice a calendar icon has appeared. This new icon is your portal to viewing your tasks in the calendar format. Click on it, and voila! You now have a calendar view enabled on your Trello board. This will allow you to easily visualize your tasks over days, weeks, or months, all within the Trello environment. And there you have it. You've successfully added the calendar power-up to your Trello board on the free tier. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Happy organizing, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Trello tips and tricks.